past perfect tense 4 or reporting statement 3。咁其實我哋已經講到 past perfect tense 嘅第4集啦。其實主要呢，我哋今次係講past perfect tense 喺 reporting statement 入邊嘅用法。咁所以呢，其實同時呢，亦都係重溫翻 reporting statements 嘅。咁所以呢，最好同學仔呢都拎翻呢一份筆記出嚟。咁如果有啲嘢你唔記得咗呢，就可以即刻呢 refer 翻啦。喺呢度呢，都重溫翻 reporting statement 幾個呢重要嘅概念。我哋話呢，有幾樣嘢係要轉嘅，唔知大家仲記唔記得呢？第一樣嘢 reporting words， 咁呢，我哋係例如我哋係 said that， 咁你記得呢，我哋通常都會加翻個 that 㗎。第二，我哋會 change pronouns， 會將個代名詞去改。大家記唔記得點改呢？係啦，我哋嗰陣時呢會有個 slogan。你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。第三樣嘢 change verbs， 個動詞要轉嘅，咁我哋都有個 slogan 嘅喎，記唔記得啊？冇錯啦，就係現在轉過去，過去變過去完成 present to past， past to past perfect。咁第四呢 change time words， 咁呢個呢就唔係背 slogan 啦，你直情有個表呢係要記咗去嘅。加 said that 呢，我諗就唔使特別再提一提噶啦。咁但係呢pronoun 啦，你我轉他，你的我的轉他的。咁啊，我哋上次講過啦，譬如話 I feel hungry， 哦 he said that he felt hungry。 I should bring my bag，He said that he should bring his bag。 係啦，咁啊提翻大家啦。咁啊呢個你我轉他，你的我的轉他的呢，咁啊其實係即係你會打直咁樣轉嘅，咁就唔會話 I 就變咗 him 咁樣嘅，唔會有呢個情況嚇。咁 time words 呢，主要都係揾翻藍色份筆記，又或者 grammar book 入邊嗰個表呢，記翻佢啦。譬如 I am hungry now，He said that he was hungry then。咁你見到啦，個 time words 呢 now 就變咗頂。咁如果聽到嚟呢度，你發覺咦都一頭霧水呢，咁你就快啲睇翻之前份筆記，睇翻之前段片，咁你先好繼續啦。否則呢，你睇落去都唔知發生咩事噶啦。好，其實我哋今日呢，主要都係講翻個 verb， 係啦。咁啊，以前個 slogan 係現在變過去，過去變過去完成。咁之前呢，我哋好少呢係講 past to past perfect 噶。咁呢，我哋今集呢，冇錯啦，就係集中翻做翻present perfect to past perfect， 例如 has done change to had done， 而 simple past 或者 past simple 啦，就會轉直，都係轉成 past perfect， 例如 did 會變成 had done。同學就話：咦，呢個點解兩個係一樣嘅？冇錯啊，兩個都係 past perfect 啫嘛。重複。無論係 present perfect tense 定係 simple past tense 或者 past simple tense 啦，都係轉做 past perfect tense 嘅。Examples: Rewrite the following sentences with reported speech to talk about what they said last Monday. Number 1. Nicole said I was very tired yesterday. 咁應該點轉呢？冇錯啦，就會變成 Nicole said that she had been very tired the previous day。 Pronoun I 變咗做 she， 動詞 was 變咗做 had 加 pp had been。 嗱，記得was 佢嗰個 verb table 呢係 be was were been， was 係 past tense， been 呢就係 past participle， 所以呢度係 had been。 Yesterday 變做 the previous day， 又或者 the day before 都得。 2. Jimmy said to Calvin, Jonathan had to see the principal 2 days ago。 呢個又轉成點啦？冇錯啦 ，Jimmy said to Calvin that Jonathan had to see the principal 2 days before。 咁你見到呢 had 呢個 past tense 就轉做 had。 第一個 had 係 past perfect tense 嘅 had， 而第二個 had 呢就係 had 嘅 pp。2 days ago 變做 2 days before。 Number 3. Moses had said to Michael, Oscar won the debate last year。 就變成 Moses said to Michael that Oscar had won the debate the previous year。 Won 就變咗做 had won win won won had won. Last year changed to the previous year. 4. Miss Lai said to me, you went there last Friday. So we change it to Miss Lai said to me that I had gone there the previous Friday. You 嗱咁呢題係要留意啲㗎，唔係你我轉態，因為 said to me 啊嘛，咁我講翻出嚟呢，就係嗌啦。Went go went gone 變成 had gone. Last Friday 變成 the previous Friday. 好，其實今集呢，主要都係同你講翻 past perfect tense 喺 reporting statements 裏面呢嘅情況㗎。咁請大家呢都做翻個 Google Form。Google Form 呢分做3部分。第一部分呢係非常簡單 ，Miss Lai 諗住你啱晒㗎啦。主要呢就係考翻你要識得將個 past tense 嘅 verb 由 direct statement 轉做 reporting statement 呢，記得轉做 past perfect tense。Miss Lai 諗住你啱晒，你記得呢要查 verb table 嚟做啊。好啦，去到第2部分呢，咁就係 mixed tenses 啦。咁即係點呢？咁可能呢，佢本身係 direct statement 裏面呢係現在式嚟嘅，譬如 go，咁你要轉做 went， 就千祈唔好黑埋隻眼哦，變做 had gone， 一定係 past perfect， 唔係啦，現在就變過去，過去先變過去完成啦。譬如 is going， 咁你就可能係變 was going 咯。去到第3部分 ，which one is correct？ 其實呢就係考翻你呢成課 reporting statement 嘅 concept 啦。咁呢一部分呢，唔係淨係轉動詞啦，亦都唔係話淨係轉個 pronoun， 係將所有呢你哋喺 reporting statement 裏面學過嘅嘢呢，都炒埋一碟。咁所以 Miss Lai 呢，就係建議你哋喺做之前呢，一係就睇翻段片啦，一係呢就做翻之前嘅工作紙一次，咁你先去做嗰個 Google Form。咁呢，你就喺個 Google Form 裏面呢，能夠反映你嘅真實嘅能力啦。So time to work. Bye.